from the stairs.
Oh, I see.
Ah,
Close.
interesting.
Sounds
Up.
like Midwood.
Shooting arrows. Yes, you dolt. Of course they are.
Hmm.
This one stabbed me. Boss.
Hmm.
I think the boss loves us.
The boss very much loves you all. But do you know what the boss doesn't like? Gildemere. Street trash. You say I'm not welcome in Fellhaven? You're not welcome on the Doctor's Island.
Mora,
I hate
Mora,
to break it to
back
you.
up. Oh,
It's
that's all.
very much still is.
Hmm.
Can we get him, boss?
He knows.
Ollie, jump up the ladder up here if you want to use your bow.
Look at them.
Hmm.
Fools.
I visited your place of residence today, Nathaniel. You have my sympathies. But I will defend my town.
What sympathies?
He knows. Wait,
I'm sick of waiting.
I don't know what
Hmm.
it is.
You idiots.
Her?
Kill them.
Ah!
Yes, boss.
Murder!
It's hot in here.
Ah! Ah! It's really hot! Ah! It's really hot!
Don't drop the sword! Don't drop the sword! Don't drop the sword!
It's really hot!
Why is it on fire?
Very sorry, but
It's fine! It's fine!
boss, it's so hot in here. Get out!
Don't drop the sword! Don't drop the sword!
Out of what? What am I out of? Oh no, we're stuck! Oh no, we're stuck!
I'll get you out!
I can't get it!
It hurts!
I've got to open the door! Don't! No!
Oh no!
No!
Oh, wrong person. Sorry.
Oh, no!
Bugger. Sorry.
Oh god!
You will die!
This is insane!
Help them from down here.
Take the treehouse. Oh, they've broken out.
Get him! Sorry!
You did well, Ollie. Ariel, you okay? Have you got a healing potion, Zariel?
I have one on me. I'll put some snow on the burns.
They were stronger or better weapons than I figured. Ow.
Just over.
Oh. What?
Stay with me. Stay with me. Don't. All right. All right. I've got you. I've got you.
See ya. Did you get those?
Come on, keep pressure on. Get the blood out of the way. Yeah,
They
we got
ran
a lot of
away.
them. We got a lot of them.
Ollie, what can I do?
What's
Ollie,
going on?
please.
Baron's attacked. Zari seems to be in
Okay.
dire